Hello pals, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great and fine from wherever you're watching me from. In my previous video, I had promised to share with you the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Wanna know it? I am James and I am going to share with you about the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world and also help you register an account with it. Please stay locked and up to the end you'll come up knowing which one is it. Ever heard about Binance? I know most of you have encountered the term Binance as they are browsing over the internet. So this is why I consider Binance to be the leading cryptocurrency exchange in the world. One is because Binance offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. So in the Binance platform, as of today, Binance, you can trade more than 400 cryptocurrencies. Another reason is due to the trading volume. So on a daily basis, more than 1 million people trade more than $1 billion US. Another reason is due to the low trading fees supported by Binance. So Binance supports low trading fees of up to 0.1%. Another reason is due to the products given by Binance. So these are just but a few only to mention. There are many and many more reasons. You might wanna join Binance and start your crypto trading. Kindly consider joining using my link which I'll post in the video description. So when you click the link that I've shared in my video description or copy paste it in your browser, this is the page which will appear. So it tells you to welcome to Binance. So the first prompt, it tells you to input your email or your phone number. So I will input my email, then click next. Then a 6-digit code has been sent, so it tells me to verify, and by the way I will verify is by a 6-digit code which has been sent to my email. So I'll head to my email. I've found a 6-digit code which has been sent, so I'll copy paste it, and I'll copy it and paste it here. So it will automatically verify itself. Then create a password. That's the next step. So there are certain conditions which have been given there. The first one, I've been told it must be 8 to 128 characters. It must at least have one number and at least one uppercase letter. If you input your password and you see all the ticks are green, means your password has been accepted. But if you have any which is red, means that your password has not been accepted. So you'll need to go as per the conditions which are required. So since mine is already green, all the ticks are green, so I'll click next. And it has been told welcome on board. So I've joined Binance. Then next. So this is my first dashboard. This is how it looks like. So it has told me to verify my account. Here's where I will input my ID and my official details. So this, when I click verify now, it will take me to a process called KYC. KYC means know your customer. So this is where I'll verify all my details. So click verify now. So as for me, I had already registered myself by Binance. So meaning I can't register myself twice. I can't KYC twice. So this video will only use it for educational purposes. Since my video is for educational purposes only, and I had already verified my account, so this is what you're going to do. So your first step is to select your residence. If you are a Kenyan, you select Kenya. If you are for example, if you are an Australian, you select Australia. Then the document issuing country, then click continue. Then you have two options of updating the document you have selected in the previous page. You have take picture or upload. If you have an image of it in your mobile phone or in your computer, you may click upload, or if you have it with you as a hard copy, you click take pictures. So you click continue. So since my account is already verified, your next step will ask you to perform a liveness check. A liveness check is simply to check that you are a real human being with actions like nodding your head, smiling, and so on and so forth. Also, the last step will be required to fill in your official details, which will do it as per required. So if you encounter any difficulty while performing your KYC, feel free to reach me via the message section, and I will be eager to assist you. So I will head to my official verified Binance account because mine is already verified. This is how the Binance dashboard looks like. So after completing your verification, and it will be a successful one, this is how your Binance will look like. As you can see, it has very many things on the dashboard, like something like the top part, the middle part, the green part, the red part. All of them have their functions and their meanings. Like for example, as you can see on these tabs, I'm on the favorites. We have favorites tab, we have hot, we have alpha, we have new, we have gainers, losers, 24-hour volume, and the market cap. All those are tabs for different sections. Like for instance, as per me, this is my favorites tab. These are the cryptocurrencies that I've selected to be my favorite ones. For example, you see this BNB USDT, so meaning that's the BNB means build and build, or formerly Binance coin. And these prices you can see here, there are two. You can see this one at the top and one below it. So the one at the top, for example, for BNB 786.09, that means the price of one BNB. And below it you can see Kenya shillings 101,490. That's the price of BNB in Kenya shillings of one BNB. So all the prices here represent the price of one. We also have 24-hour changes. As you can see for BTC, the one above, it has a negative 0.34, meaning and its percentage is in red, meaning it has reduced in price. While the rest, since they are in green, their price have increased. So for example, in the case of BNB, you can see plus 1.57 means BNB in 24 hours it has gained with a plus 1.62%. So that's being done. So for hot, with the hot ones, alpha is an incoming trend in Binance. It's a new trend. New are the new cryptocurrencies being introduced in Binance. Like for example, Proof is the latest cryptocurrency to be introduced in Binance. The gainers, these are the cryptocurrencies which have gained value in the last 24 hours. Like for example, OG, it's plus 28.98. That means it has gained with a percentage of 28.93%. Then next is losers. As you can see, for losers, they are all red, meaning they have lost value. So 24-hour volume and the market cap. So also in your dashboard, you can see up here, you can see the add funds option. This is where you deposit into Binance. Either you can deposit crypto or you can deposit fiat currencies. So this referral and deposit, learn and earn, live, Binance Academy and more, the ones which I've selected to appear on my dashboard. You can also choose what to appear on your dashboard. You customize it yourself. Then when you scroll down in the dashboard, you can see people with posts. This is called the Binance Square. This is where people share ideas in form of posts. So I won't dig deeper into that. So my main aim was to show you the dashboard. As you can see up here in the middle, it has selected exchange. So meaning I'm in the Binance exchange. On its right, we have wallet. So when I click wallet, it will take me to the Binance Web3 wallet. So that's how you maneuver through the Binance exchange and the Binance wallet. So let me go back to the Binance exchange. I hope you've understand that. On your top left, you can see the messages option and the three dots, which takes you to your account. So that's how Binance looks like from the inside briefly. If you've watched this video till this far and you have found it informative, kindly consider subscribing, commenting, like and share, and let's create an engaging crypto community. Until next time, don't forget to DYOR.